impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Centerville, Chestertown, Denton, Centerville, Harrington, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Churchill, Millington, Sudlersville, Batterton, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Old Town, Star, Jumptown, Newtown, Morganett, and Crumpton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot.